Everything's a dollar. Everything's a dollar at Dollar Tree. If you've never been to Dollar Tree, every single thing is a dollar. I remember one time, my friend, she came from Memphis, and I guess they don't have a lot of Dollar Trees there. We took her to Dollar Tree, and she was like, everything's a dollar. We was like, everything is a dollar. She kept picking things. No, this is not a dollar. Girl, it's a dollar. Everything in here is a dollar. Welcome to LaVidaRosa. I'm your host, Pinky, and I'm going to tell you how you can save so much just by going to Dollar Tree. So if you would like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out LaVidaRosaStyle.com, which is my website where I sell a bunch of cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. So make sure you check out that link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so we already know why we're here. I think sometimes people look down upon dollar stores like Dollar Tree and places like that. While I wouldn't get everything from Dollar Tree, I would get everything I can from Dollar Tree. I'm very cheap, frugal, whatever you want to call it. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money, and I like to save money where I can. Here's my first tip. Whatever you think you may need, and you might want to go to Walmart or Target or something like that, go to Dollar Tree first, because you might be able to find it and it will only be $1. And even if it's like a sample size of what you need, sometimes if you buy 2, 3, 4 of those, it'll still cost less than the large size of what you want at the store. So today I was shopping at Dollar Tree, and I was like, I might as well do a video telling y'all the different things that I find at Dollar Tree that are worth buying. Because I'm not gonna lie, everything at Dollar Tree is not worth buying at all, but some things is totally worth it, and I wouldn't buy it anywhere but Dollar Tree, because I'm about to save this money. The first things I want to show you was beauty items, because makeup and things like that can be very expensive, and I think that wherever you can cut a corner, you should. So first thing is brushes. Now these brushes are dirty but you see that I actually use them. These brushes are from Wet n Wild. You see they have like a flat brush for like the base of your eye. They have a fluffy brush for when you need to like blend things out, and they also have another brush just for, you know, patting and, you know, just doing different techniques with your eye. And I use these all the time, and guys, they last longer than you might think they would. They last a long time. Like, these have lasted me for so long, I can't tell you an exact time, but they last. And then whenever they do start to fall apart, just go get another one. It's only $1. And I promise, like, y'all, these are totally worth it. The next thing is gloss. Now, I don't know what girl doesn't wear lip gloss. I love this lip gloss from e.l.f. This is a lip lacquer, and oh my goodness, it's like a lip gloss, and it's not sticky, which is like one of my main beefs with lip gloss, is that they're sticky. I can't stand it. But this lip gloss lasts, I'm not gonna say it lasts all day, but it definitely does last longer than it lasts longer than you would think $1 lip gloss would last. Now I will say, if you use a lot of lip gloss like I do, like I'm like a lip gloss chick every single day, every time I wake up, anytime I think about it, I'm putting some lip gloss on, it's not gonna last that long. But once again, it's only $1, so you could buy a couple of these and be good, you know what I'm saying? Another good thing I found for those of us who have makeup and we like to keep our stuff organized, I found this cute makeup organizer. Now I just found this today. I haven't opened it yet, but I already know exactly how I'm going to use this. I'm going to put lipsticks in these various places. You might be able to put brushes in these really tall ones, and I have different like highlighters and different things I already know I'm going to fill this thing up with. I needed a organizer for my makeup, but organizers cost so much money. Even online when I'm looking for organizers, they just be so expensive. So to find out they have a cheap one at Dollar Tree, of course I had to snatch this one up. I'm probably gonna end up going back and at least getting one more, because if only y'all could see what was going on down here. I ain't even gonna show you. And also I found this jar, and this is another thing I use to organize my brushes. Like, I'll pour some like cute beads or something in there, and then stick my brushes in there and use it as like a brush holder. And obviously everything's $1. Everything's a dollar. Everything's a dollar at Dollar Tree. If you've never been to Dollar Tree, every single thing is a dollar. I remember one time, my friend, she came from Memphis, and I guess they don't have a lot of Dollar Trees there. We took her to Dollar Tree, and she was like, everything's a dollar. We was like, everything is a dollar. She kept picking things. No, this is not a dollar. Girl, it's a dollar. Everything in here is a dollar. And it's just like, you could just ball out in Dollar Tree. That's how it was in college. You go to Dollar Tree to ball out. Now, the next few things I'm going to show you are items for my hair that I definitely need and would cost me more than $1 to buy most places. First thing is a spray bottle. As a natural girl, I'm always gonna need a spray bottle, especially when I'm twisting my hair up at night. I need to spray some water on my hair, or just pour different types of concoctions and things in here and just spray it on. I'm always gonna need a spray bottle, and I was in need of a new spray bottle, so this definitely is gonna come in handy. The next thing is a wide tooth comb. Again, as a natural girl, whenever I'm detangling my hair, especially after washing or something like that, I always need a wide tooth comb, and I always end up spending more than I should on a wide tooth comb when I could just be spending $1. So this was perfect. The next thing is ponytail holders. Everybody can use ponytail holders. Even if your hair isn't long enough to put in a ponytail, you can use ponytail holders for everything. These are non-snag too, so they're not the kind that'll snag on your hair and pull on it or whatever. I've used these before, and they're pretty durable. About as durable as any other ponytail holder. Ponytail holders just don't last for me all the time, and I'm always gonna lose them, so might as well just only pay $1 for how many? 15? You get 15 for $1? That's not bad. And then the next few products are going to be like hygiene and stuff like that. Q-tips and cotton balls. We're all going to need Q-tips and cotton balls. It don't matter if you're man, woman, boy, girl. You're going to need Q-tips and cotton balls. And you get a decent amount in here, 250 Q-tips. I use a lot of Q-tips, and this takes me a while to get through. Same thing with cotton balls. I'm always using cotton balls for my toners, to remove makeup, things like that. These are necessities in my bathroom. And in case you didn't know, they have name brand toothpaste in Dollar Tree. They also have off brand, but clearly everybody wants the name brand, Crest, Colgate, things like that. They don't have the large sizes, but they do have like the half sizes, smaller sizes. This one is 2.9 ounces, but if you want to get 2 of them, like I said, it's only $1. Might as well. That's like my slogan in Dollar Tree. It's only $1, you might as well. The next thing is a nail clipper and tweezers. And I have a habit of losing these things, so you might as well hit up Dollar Tree and get it for only $1. Everybody needs these. These are necessities. And then last but not least, panty liners. And if you're a man watching, I'm so sorry. Shield your eyes. You don't have to finish the video if you don't want to. I'm so sorry. I saved the best for last. Panty liners, okay? I always get the unscented regular panty liner. The reason why I get my panty liners from Dollar Tree is because it's not the same as buying a pad or a tampon. I don't have to worry about it being able to hold a heavy flow or anything like that. So, you know, panty liners are just there for days when you have a little extra, you need a little extra coverage, but it's not, you know, but your period is not on or it's coming off. So I don't like to spend a lot of money on panty liners, because I honestly feel like, what's the difference between a cheap panty liner and an expensive one? It's like, it does the same job. As long as you get unscented. I know scented can really irritate. Scented really irritates me. I don't know about anybody else, but I can't use scented, so I always get unscented, and so I would probably keep that in mind. But other than that, I'm using the $1 panty liners. Why not? Okay guys, so that's that for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope I inspired you guys to check out Dollar Tree and other dollar stores to buy different necessities and items that you may buy on a regular basis to help you save money, because I didn't look up the alternatives to these prices, but I can guarantee you pretty much if you were to buy those items anywhere else, they would be more than $1. I just wanted to show y'all some extra ways y'all could still be cute and save your money, because I'm always looking for those ways. And if you have any tips for me down below, I would love to hear it. I'd love to hear you guys' opinion. And I would love to know down below, do y'all shop at Dollar Tree? Are y'all a Dollar Tree princess like me? And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.